Hello folks, Gino here with Texas Best Used Motorcycles in Mansfield, Texas with a 2005 Harley Davidson Ultra Classic that I want to show you. This is really a clean bike. 2005's got the twin cam 88 and a 5-speed transmission. Got a set of highway pegs on it here. Bike looks really nice. Got looks like maybe a little tiny ding right there, a little rock peck right on the front. I believe that's some bug guts right here. But that fender looks really nice. The fairing looks real good. Might be a little peck here. Maybe a tiny little peck there. Over here looks like there's a couple of little signs of some that may come off. That may be bugs there. Little tiny rub right in here on the edge. This side looks real good. Tank looks nice. Side covers and bags look real good. Maybe a tiny little hairline scratch right there. This bike is clean. Got good miles on it too. I think it's got like 28,000 miles or something. Got a set of Python mufflers. Good tire on the back. It's got these passenger armrests added. A little drink holder here. It's pretty handy. Bike comes with electronic cruise control, full onboard electronics, intercom between rider and passenger. Got a little trim here, cup holder. Electronic cruise control. Got a nice smoked windshield on. It's got the contoured windshield mold in here. It's in nice shape. United States Marine Corps, so I'm assuming Marine had this bike. Saw a scratch right over here on the tour pack. The bike's got 28,235 miles on it. That one's really nice though. Pops right off, no engine noise, no smoke, no rattling or any of that business. It's really a nice bike. Chrome luggage rack back here on top of the tour pack. It looks like this is an adjustable tour pack where you can slide it back and forth for your passenger. Nice little feature. This one's a dandy. If you'd like to know more about it, call our sales team at 817-985-8888. They can tell you all about it. It's been through our shop and checked out and it's ready to ride. Got some good financing and extended warranty options on it. You can see our complete inventory online at texasbestusedmotorcycles.com. We take almost anything in on trade and we sell and ship bikes all over the world, so it would be easy to get this one to you. This is Gino with Texas Best Used Motorcycles in Mansfield, Texas. Thanks for looking.